Abusiafo aha Amansan online TV. Send no first time on Saka video. Make sure to subscribe no like it. No comment or comment section ho. And we put me a backing kind at amount. Dana die in some echubu. You was a sense some no crebe in the womb. And it's Amansan online TV. Your team was said in some no the grandpa best match for. In some be agent away social media no soa. Obia pemunchi monimuntiasi. Anas Aremeyaw and Kennedy Agyapong. Isense bi epiem ema Kennedy Agyapong ede Anas Aremeyaw court ema Kennedy Agyapong edi bem. Next one thing ho ase ede no ko US court ema Anas Aremeyaw emum ekodi bem. Yes no 18 million US dollars. Was a Kennedy Agyapong etuama Anas Aremeyaw. The show mon come ho ne enko video nembra. Ye ba ye de munchemu
Kennedy betia Kennedy was scar Kennedy betia. Now we 80 million scar. And Kennedy was scar. We see factory kakraka cold store fridge be breed what can say di Kennedy or some president dey betia. Enti and then they see what court no lawyer change him. Why won't law school me lawyer dwom
people watching Amansan online TV.
Yeah, say for now the 80 million is so. The possibility say because 90 million is high, and the possibility say be 60 or 50 million is very high. Kennedy appeal in Kwadia and a lawyer no in the future no so person appeal I say of 18 equitable so near the two contain near kataso and sanya kohwe appeal no but for now the Kennedy beba abe den abe perka krasa e bia yente so yate so krampo no e bia me de minim na bia etiba bia 14 and also times e de ho nti ya hwe de besi o say ono client here Anas in decide whether to apply for class
Amansan online TV
no nti ene de yentumi kan ho asem say definite. But the Sija so the can wasem. The Sija so yan Kennedy Agyapong. As we speak now, or the Anas Aremeyaw Anas ka $18 million. I was say offi. Also ko church on krata bi diaba. No problem. Anas and lawyers say omo de omo twen. Ya te so kra no, yetumi te so kra bi $400 $18 million minus $400. Monya calculation na Kennedy ntia de aka no. Inti say yate so kra bi a judge no obeso oteso jury no na say 80 million ebia oteso $330 kra inti 80 million minus $330 yen hwe de Kennedy betua
Amansan online TV
courtroom na yen hwe de esi wo court and ewo courtroom New Jersey Kennedy Agyapong any Anas case na and Kennedy he needs to pay $18 million 18 remember Kennedy remember court also offered 9.5
Amansan online TV
Adena Kennedy pen wo no Anas a double number Kennedy. Na Kennedy so pay $9.5 million e free me ho. And Anas I had a double 9.5 ni mienu ama no. Eti Kennedy de na open wo ho no Anas I had 2 ama no. And then there was a Kennedy 2 ama Anas. Now, and then Kenya show mo kra mo ha dwene o. Kennedy Agyapong obetia o sika anasend de ko Kennedy foi. Ba omi man kakra no no so bi account say o se ba omi man $800 million onyim $18 million
Amansan online TV
this
I hope
when in some ICC or court they be ameka kire mo you see this particular guy na meka kire mo say mesiu no your friend Dada Fred this guy many Kennedy work court no or the misinformations be to abontene my legal team no they have put it together and Anas Kennedy case no ni din be mu in court these are part of the evidence Anas team no the legal team no edit this foolish man your friend that afraid me echo I will make sure say sika obeti okroma no ebeku na esika no ebehunu na obenum eduroku no ho I am going to sue him now Kennedy case no so no this fool obemu he was mentioned
people watching Amansan online TV
Kennedy Agyapong edi misinform Ghana for Anas na one fan kono so Anas de oja na mane koye but I am going to sue because time Kennedy Agyapong they be call court I'm winning case no sa branch obetina TV so betina social media ye twetwa tape sin nego e ka kire wiase say judge na oti case so no judge na endi asem ni ye obekọ court akokirem ono na be gina abonte beka kire nkofo say oh case
Amansan online TV
today I want him to know where Anas case no and remember Oni Kennedy Agyapong na Facebook and Ochantro mo amunim no mo kan chen say Kevin Taylor say he is going to meet me in court in Massachusetts. I am taking it to him. Me say this time obiya beda because you want to say anya ne sa enkwasiafo system enje na make catch boys
Amansan online TV
mo hu bebia mo bedi mo nkom akọ Me the other unkwasi asem ne bam so a, I'll catch you from your hole and make sure the Lord deals with you. Into so become as making sure say on krata do be jina na so. It won't send a message when come at the threat. Where Anas the case, he was part of the evidence. Anas at the kind case. Time I mimi case ne ba no.
Amanson online
TV. Way etna TV so. Ocha atro eto judge no so. And most importantly, ocha atro eto court no so. Not just a referee, no. Because I was waiting. I got my legal team to compile everything. And see, he needs to prepare himself for over $5 million. Yes, I am telling him. Some misinformation or best sending in public about a ruling from a federal court. And it's I'm in the picture to sono. Into more munim libya monkanjan say me, I am coming to him. Mima a little bit of it right after our case. Because I wanted my team to compile.
Amanson online TV.
It's you that afraid, Anas the enemy. Anas shared na one for one back or two. By you. Sansa no kafa judge na otina mimi case no so. Misinformation a wo katum frame efa meme ho time Anas case no court. Wo beba American court abechirem. And I will make sure say over $10 million we may see you. You need to get ready. You need to get a lawyer. You need to be ready for what is coming because you're boy who we your boy who into say why ready say obe missing for me abedi the Kennedy Agyapong kwasema wait for me because I'm coming with a 10 million suit me catch you. So get ready. Now these are some of the things that happened in court. It be ready. We are coming to serve you. Me catch you because we are one person who catch you. Oh can correct. When you say go chow one no say botase. Tete abuche kan kwasi asem control. Yene kwa yesu so ya be chirema no. When you bagaya trata tai kan kwasi asem Jimmy. What do I say to America judge so?
Amanson online TV.
You know my lawyer. Obechira will be America. Krum hanya ode. What that afraid? Now, my mentor they see what court and the pictures and the videos. So this is what happened in court. Kennedy Agyapong, you see during the hearing, no, Okojun saw 10 times. Obano anumusio Kennedy I free.
Amanson online TV.
Oh, who the unfair? The nisu brino. Kennedy Agyapong you see in the court insuo otuso baba go no ada no akodwonso no aba sikeni belebele junso ehini eye esikeni belebele otigana ye nkanasem kwasiasam and the America court ye piana kwhye dan ho we otumi gina Ghana court no odidi judge atam ne asoso no so oh Mr. Kennedy oh honorable America court pure water ne serve no America court Kennedy Agyapong pure water ne de man say no
Amanson online TV.
Catch a Ghana for. Sanko for na muso so Ghana na oboba no muhunu na mo dada mo no. They are nobody in America. They are nobody in Europe and America. They are nobody. And Akwa Kennedy was suppressing the power cronim Ghana cronim. And down ya man pure water. My mention of more pictures from court today. Maybe I mention a video. This
keep watching Amanson online TV.
Yeah. Not OTA. Mami juju makesi akesiem. Send be ya bloggers ni benya bibie didi. Kennedy we
Amanson online TV.
Ewo eye court. Kennedy Agyapong no. The lawyer
Amanson online TV. Our hope is here.
$18 million eka eda Kennedy tiri so. $18 million na no kasa eni nyome bi a oye. Otigana ena omu frustrating kofo. Omu the court popo kofo. The same case in Ghana we wini Ghana judge
Amanson online TV.
Obedu America osade sa case na ba ese me wini case ni Ghana and America court said David.
Amanson online TV.
Ghana no sebio no mu bonkuro.
Keep watching Amanson online TV. Yeah.
Boga yemre ye jujum me ma bloggers. The lawyers na kasa no e defend no emfa Kennedy so neto no ye pia na hye corner. Showdown I am re. Showdown at the court. Why din? Judge bi eni wa onim no. Eye clerk bi eni wa onim no. Bailiff bi eni wa onim no. Sa court we enya ho na akoka, do you know who I am? Or do you know me? I say Yanka, do you know me? Do you know me? Haven't you heard about my name? If you don't take care, you take care. Sadia the Bini America court, a Bini ho. It read my lips, and then Nakotana Kwanchen, where a superior court of New Jersey, and young Kwanchen court. We any in summer course or quarter, may mark gallery nika crack. Akaboga Nkwan, a lawyer bakono, you may be offer. Enti ene da hono New Jersey Superior Court Kennedy Agyapong ene yemiana hyenche no ontumi kasa boga emre onim obi a akwa hunahuna no akoya, do you know me? Don't you know I am Akompre Akun Kennedy Agyapong? Unim se me free fosu. I am the MPP financier ejuma ba enam da pono so ne ntwe na bowe ozo kwawe akokokon Kennedy 80 million at that table, so also per 9.5 billion. Maybe 9 million. Then train about table, so we are also back and the Anas Aremeyaw Anas, Anas 80 million in trade. Then train about Kennedy is a bag of Obi say judgment today say na heaven by you. Ebeka Obiane a lawyer. Judgment today no. Heaven say how Ebeka Obiane a lawyer. But that's our lawyer. The court fum na ka go out to war. I heaven say ah the be no be can judgment today. Ebe say Obiane a lawyer. Otu awo so oh I'm urinating, I'll be back. Fum no afa second door no ewuram. Now that want to watch a lawyer. Judgment today say ah the be Ebeka Obiane a lawyer. Okay. We a court exclusive na me dem mamu no. Kennedy Agyapong eto no. Ai e koso court wo orkodo 18 million showdown. They try the ball on Kennedy so pa akokokon nim gallery na e koso no. After this about atene chire sa akonwa no so obi atene makotene chire na ese emu aye din. Boga kana no esi so. Read my lips.
Amanson online TV.
They say oh so boga kana no esi so I say. Na say eya jiegu $18 million. Hit. $18 million. Ya dia pim Kennedy also tia. Anas Aremeyaw Anas me bo besia. Anas Aremeyaw me ho kire me ti besia also me bo besia pe 500k ma me fanya me nyoma Anas. Utie lawyers nyina wi 500k dia wan fa ma me dia me no ba ku bewu. Enti boga read my lips and waka lips na sisi no wakota.
Amanson online TV.
Me de me yakote beka me kote ye and me the evidence be chiro because when you say ebi mo ho magimi Kevin Taylor boa otan Kennedy we anya me Kennedy asemo Kennedy ni Anas na Anas we ni $18 million. They see your court no and me de chiro enye bosremu ka me ma blog is eduane edi Kennedy Hunsensem part 1 and 2. Now koso Kennedy Agyapong niana okasa nka onko di MP no onie ono se court we see the trase e kaba akoko kontwa apetire ni tiesi form Kennedy nuane nie we na not radio so ye Kennedy will contest the 2028 elections onie we see the trase me bra die na wakofa bein kakra ya isi ye nende o me rekoma Anas akudi ase no obema Kevin Taylor 500,000. Enti Kennedy nuane nie we na okopri seat na ya nto ama no omo nka no kre de otieche ode minim ebia omo busu apenya na sankofo no ebia omo wo African market ni bi no ai enti Kennedy nuane so nie we see the trust ye bo 80 million.
Keep watching Anas Aremeyaw TV.
Ka titi wo bi kire now ninya no still out to say na why mre eduru bebi no Kennedy nuane you can see I'm going to come here pressure ba
Amanson online TV.
Mr. Me court. I'm defame me lawyer, defame me a judge in America. I'm going to court. Now let's watch a video. You see our court. Time and a judge and a catcher Kennedy say he has the right to take the next action.
Okay, so
we're exclusive. Oh no, baby, it's all on this platform. My body in Amwashe. Introduce some time. I'm more understanding that this platform is huge. Mashada. Bloggers ni pekakra ko didi. Mitisi yo mo twa ye ko didi. Da be munya would say. Inti court no Kennedy. Mr. Aremeyaw Anas. Kennedy lawyers. Anas lawyers. And you could see. Metro, I'll show you the video. And that's what transpired.
A Manson online TV.
From Anas. They were given the permission to film what happened in court. Court season 1. It may be sure what actually happened. Kennedy the Shebusha no Jina Kona Hona, ye kana Asem acheren se. Asem ya kewie. Ye diet yaw. Uwo bibia ye.
A Manson online TV.
Hankwana be hunu anywhere else on any platform. Also who say Hane the first place who say video no. I need to ask my team first if I should go ahead and show the video again. Team. No.
Keep watching Anas Aremeyaw TV. Yeah.
Omuteki footage, you know. We got our team to go in there. We wrote a permission, and then they gave us the permission to film. Inti, whatever you are seeing, exclusive footage. No. We have done that clearance, Mr. S. Now let's go back and watch.
A Manson online TV. Our hope is here.
okay, so the court's decision, if we start at the end,
Keep watching Anas Aremeyaw TV. Yeah.
and everyone can file motions at the appropriate time, and the court will address everything after the motions are filed.
A Manson online TV.
Does anyone have any questions about anything? Okay. Good luck to everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for coming on for everything.
So there's one thing you need to take notice of. Anas was still wearing nose mask in court.
A Manson online TV.
But over Ghana, judge to meet Naka says Anas saying you nose mask na yendi asem. You see the difference. You see how our judiciary in Ghana. How bad some of our judges are.
A Manson online
In
TV.
that courtroom in New Jersey is looking at the facts and evidence before him. How you dress to court is up to you. It is your presentation in court. How the jury will see you. Whether you wear a nose mask or not, at the end of the day, it is your case, the substantive case, your evidence is what they are looking at. Because they are dealing with the law. They are not looking at individuals. And the law itself is blind. It does not look at faces, backgrounds, economically where you are coming from, or financial, or whatever. It's looking at the case, the law. They are applying it. So whether somebody is dread, whether somebody is wearing a nose mask, whether somebody is wearing a face shield, what is more important to the jury and the judge is that look at the evidence before you. Look at it and apply the law, and let's see. But don't say, Senia Omubu Asem Gu Anas so Ghana was that it wasn't the substantive issue Anas had brought to court. Anas trying to defend himself. In Ghana, the Edibuati Anas say yes, nose mask be Anas face mask be. Say Anas say yeah. That means Anas is guilty. This is where we are as a nation. Judge to me say because of face mask, nose mask, because I want you to look in a certain way in my court. You know, if you don't look that way, I am going to call you a criminal. I am going to label you a criminal. That is the danger in our judiciary. And that is what we need to look at. Are we looking at a substantive case that is before us as judges, as judiciary, or we are looking at the characters or the individuals standing before us? And when you go to Ghana, the judiciary today look at the people involved in the case than the case itself. And that is the beginning of our end. And that is what is running this country down. Our biggest problem in Ghana today is that when judges sit in courtrooms, they are looking at the individuals involved, not the substantive case before them. It is all come back now check it. Case I say Anas Lucy against Techi against Kennedy Agyapong now. You will see, say, it is not about the evidence that was provided or was given in court. The judge now or the court case now Odi Asem no. He is looking more at how to unmask Anas. And this is how they have destroyed Ghana. Anas instructed to testify without mask. The evidence that has been provided, what do you need mask for? This is Ghana court. And this is how they use the law to destroy lives in Ghana. And see, for a very long time, we made the judiciary look like, say, Nyankopon, we cannot question the judiciary. We cannot question their conduct. We cannot even question their biasness. And that is what some young judges who were actually growing up, that is the thing that was in their head. At a point, they felt to say, when I sit on a case, a journalist or an individual does not have the right to even question the way I conduct my court proceedings. At a point, judges were called by the General Legal Council about their conduct in court. And when journalists like us sit on TV and on radio to question the conduct of judges, the judges are able to say, hey, but the warrant at all. So that is how low our judiciary has become. And we start to question the credibility of some of our judges in Ghana. It is not personal. It is because of their conduct. It is because of what they do. It is because of the way they conduct themselves and how they treat people before them. I can take you back to Opuni's case. Justice Jackson Hunyuiga sat in court. Somebody purged himself. The judge said, let us go and come back. I will punish the person who has purged himself under oath. That is our legal system today. We live in a country where a whole Supreme Court had to go to UK to bring some black book to judge our elections. That is how low our judiciary has come. And it is not me. It is not about a judge sitting somewhere thinking that a young man like myself criticizing their actions and the way they conduct themselves in court. It is not about me. It is about we making sure the system works, making sure the people we have given that to me say among India some court, those people are doing what is right. Because if you don't have the right to criticize you as a judge, then it means you are giving you the free room, the free will to do damage. And that is what some judges want. They want to be democratically autocratic in Ghana. Listen, some judges in Ghana want to be democratically autocratic. They hide under the umbrella of judiciary to intimidate.
Amanson Online TV. Our hope is here.
Criticism and to intimidate the system. That is the pain that some people think that they can force on us in Ghana.
Abusia for video no ni akosha no na che Anas Aremeyaw Anas obwan huyi pa na media mi susuye mo no me hu ne se the evidence no ene ma the dibim awasiu akompra kwa Japan $18 million. Obetumi de wadwenche afa comment section ho na me kai wo say obe subscribe se ne da bia ye the video tuma benya bi ahye no wa share ama afufuro enya bi no wa comment or comment section ho emrepam ne beken kan edi ama o me amedi dwumadi ebe som mo me diane efiasewa makra